Yo, it's your boy Chief Niki.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
It's your boy. Skinny penis. I'm Chief Niki. I'm a 19-year-old Zivildiener from Linz, Austria. Down there you can see Ebensee. And right on top, that's the Großer Sonnstein.
Till you find your way back home.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out my next video coming out soon. I guess I'm not really good at these outros, so don't forget to like and do what you love.
And love what you do, and honestly be real to yourself, you know if it's true. If you lie, you probably gon' end with regrets, or a life resulting in never ending stress. What you gon' do? Do what you love, but love what you do.
Das ist wohl die absolut interessanteste Aktivität, die man filmen kann.
Scheiße.
Soll ich dir helfen?
Wow. Fersen ist jetzt festgehängt. Peace. Also das Eis kriegen.
Lol.